Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Kashif Ali, and today we will discuss about the human reproductive system, both including females and males. Actually, first of all, we will discuss about the organs that are present in the female reproductive system, and these includes the two ovaries, the two oviducts, and let's see diagram. Two ovaries, one is that and one is that. Two oviducts, one is that, and one is uterus, and then the constricted part that is called cervix and the vagina, and the external opening is called that is the bladder. The exact location of the bladder is in front of the vagina, and the urethra has a separate opening. So these are the major female reproductive system organs which are involved in different functions. First of all, we will see the ovaries. Ovaries are present on the actually lower abdomen and on the one side of the uterus. You can see easily one is present on the left side of the uterus and another present on the right side of the uterus, and it is involved in the egg formation or gamete formation in the female part. So first of all, egg is formed here, and after that the fimbriae of the oviduct, and that is the funnel shaped part. That part is the funnel shaped part, and this part is involved in the catching of the egg that is released by ovary, and after that it moves toward the oviduct, and here at that point fertilization take place, and after that the zygote moves and the different divisions take place, cleavage and morula stage, and after that the implantation take place at the upper part of the uterus, and after that the implantation, and the size of the ovary is 3 to 4 centimeter, and the size of the uterus before implantation is 80 mm. And the main thing is that the penis is uh, when penis is erected, it actually deposits sperms on the vagina part, and after that they move from the cervix and the uterus and oviduct, and at the ampulla part here fertilization take place. So and let's start with the reading. The eggs are produced from the female reproductive organs called ovaries. These are the two whitish oval bodies, 3 to 4 cm long. They lie in the lower half of the abdomen, one on each side of the uterus. Close to each ovary is the expanded funnel-shaped opening of the oviduct, the tube down which the ova passes when released from the ovary. The oviduct is sometimes called fallopian tube. The other name for oviduct is fallopian tube. The oviducts are narrow tubes that are open into wide tube. The uterus or the womb. The other name of the uterus is womb. Lower down in the abdomen, when there is no embryo developing in the uterus, is only about 80 mm long. It leads to the outside through muscular tube known as vagina, and cervix is a ring of muscles closing the lower end of the uterus where it joins the vagina, and the separate opening of the urethra is from the external surface, that is called uvula. The urethra from the bladder opens into uvula just in front of vagina. Actually, the now we will discuss the table that is very important in This table we will discuss about the female reproductive organs and their functions. Female reproductive organs, the cervix, that is the narrow part, that is the ring of muscles. That part is called cervix. That part. And what is the function of the cervix? Actually, the function of the cervix is ring of muscle and separating the vagina from the uterus. And the funnel of the oviduct, actually funnel of the oviduct, that is the funnel of the oviduct, and they catch the sperms from the ovary. And after the oviduct fertilization take place. And the function of uterus is the implantation and embryo formation. And the function of vagina is the deposition of the sperms. And all these things are involved. And urethra for the urine excretion. So uh, directs an ovum. What is the function of the funnel oviduct? Directs an ovum egg from ovary into oviduct. Ovary contain follicle in which eggs are produced. Actually, egg is protected by many cells, and these cells are called follicle cells. Or these follicles, actually cells, are bounded by one single membrane, and inside them there is a egg. Egg is protected actually by different follicle cells and different other types of cells. Ovary contain follicle in which ova are produced. Oviduct carries an ovum to the uterus with propulsion provided by tiny cilia in the wall, also the site of fertilization. Urethra carries urine from bladder, uterus where the fetus develops, vagina receive the male penis during sexual intercourse, and sperms are deposited. Thank you very much. This was the female reproductive system, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the male reproductive system. Thank you very much. Take care and do studies well.